Bill Tweeden here with Western Products, and today I'd like to discuss with you all the different categories of countertops for your home. Just like with how important it is to select the right cabinet for your home, countertops add both utility and beauty to those spaces. Today we're going to look at 4 different categories of countertops: laminate, granite, solid surface, and quartz, and we'll look at each of them individually. Laminate countertops are what most of us have grown up with. They're very easy to maintain and relatively inexpensive. Laminate countertops are made with many layers of brown paper and resin pressed together to form a rigid sheet, and then that is bound to a substrate, and voila, you have a countertop. When the front is adhered to the top, there are brown lines, just subtle little lines. But with the new edges like OG and the bullnose, you really don't see that line at all. The main advantage of laminate is its cost. It's low cost, and it comes in thousands of colors and patterns. A solid surface countertop is somewhere between the price of laminate and quartz and granite. Color goes all the way through this product, and because it's repairable and renewable, it easily outperforms a laminate countertop. A solid surface countertop is made with either acrylic or polyester, and it's impervious to moisture, so it makes it a great hygienic countertop, very easy to care for. And the seams are what they call inconspicuous. The epoxy holds tight, it's sanded out, and you really cannot feel where that seam is. Granite is certainly an elegant and classy product and brings the durability of stone into your home, as well as bringing nature indoors. These igneous rocks were formed with molten magma deep in the Earth's crust, but with today's technology, they could be mined and quarried and cut into slabs for your countertop. Commonly found in granite are quartz, feldspar, trace minerals that all make beautiful patterns. So apart from the utility of the stone and its durability, it's beautiful to look at. Granite is porous. There are pits and fissures in it, but because of today's sealants, really it's not an issue. You can seal it for 25 years. Quartz is king, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This man-made stone quartz is 93% quartz, 7% binders and colorant. And it's made in a dough and pressed under extreme pressure to get rid of all air pockets and fissures and just make it non-porous. It has great tensile strength, so it can support itself without brackets up to 15 inches, and it won't stain, and it's very easy to maintain. This all comes at a cost. Quartz is a more expensive option on the market today, but it's worth it. And a final note, none of these countertop choices should be cut on or set something hot onto them. So use a trivet, use a cutting board. Unless you hate your countertop, please cut on it and I'll get you a new one. Please stop by the Western Products showroom and take a look at our cabinet displays, our countertop samples, and let's get that look that you want to achieve with the budget you've set aside, and you'll be surprised at what a difference the right countertop can make in your home.